a must-see in the heart of Murfreesboro. This lovely 4-bed, 3-bath home has most everything one could want. This open floor plan boasts of spacious living with a main suite downstairs, 3 beds and a bonus area upstairs, a formal dining room, a breakfast area, spacious kitchen, and a loft area. Easy access to I-24, minutes from MTSU, and the downtown square, and about 30 minutes from Nashville, so you are always close to some form of entertainment while being close to your cozy home.